Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Ibraheem and today I will present foods of Punjab. First of all, I will present main dishes that are beef kadai, nihari, saag and aloo gobi. Now I will present breads of Punjab. There are cornbread, paneer paratha, butter naan and tandoori roti. Rice dishes of Punjab: pulao, curry with boiled rice, biryani, and zarda. Snacks of Punjab are chana chaat, shami, samosa, and pakoda. Sweets that are most liked in Punjab: gajar ka halwa, jalebi, kheer, and gulab jamun. About drinks, lassi and chai. Thank you very much for listening and watching.